Today I'll be showing you guys how you guys can add music to your Instagram post, and this step is going to work for both a video post and a photo post, alright? So just listen to me carefully and watch this video. First thing, after you open Instagram, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the plus button, it's going to take you over here. I'm going to choose a random photo to show you guys how you guys can add music. So I will post this photo of my little random thing over here. So I'm just going to choose the photo. And after you choose the photo from your gallery which you want to upload as a post, click on next at the top right corner. Once you click on next, it's going to take you over here. Now this is the place from which you guys can add music. As you guys can see, there's a little music icon at the top. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for the music which you want. But I don't want to search for any music. I'm going to use this music called Mutu Dekinai over here. So I'm just going to click on the music. Once I click on the music at the bottom, I can slide right and left to choose which section of the music I want to add. So I want to add this section of the music. And after I select the section, what I can do is just click on done at the top right. And now the music has been added to my photo. Now I can click on next at the top again. And I can write a caption if I want to. And if I don't, I can just leave it empty. So I will leave it empty and I will click on share. And the post is going to be uploaded. And after it's uploaded, it's going to be uploaded with the music. As you guys can see, it has been uploaded with the music. You can clearly see at the top, it's showing the music name as well. So that's how you guys can add music to your Instagram post. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. And this is similarly even for the video as I said. But instead of photo, just choose video and follow the same steps. So hope you understand. Bye-bye.